Welcome today in front of me Nokia X20, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So now you'll see here all the available icons on our top bar, and just to add some icons or just to remove them or just to change the position, you should click here on the edit icon, and you'll see here all these visible icons, and these icons on the down section we can add to our notification panel. So just to add some icons from here, you should hold for a while the icon and drag it here to this up section by this way. And if you want to just remove some icons from here, by the same way, hold for a while the icon and drag it to this down section. And just to change the positions, you should hold for a while the icon and just change the position where you want. Just change this and drag these icons. So that's it. That's how it looks. That's how to change the notification panel shortcuts on this device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.